In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to pair the indoor-outdoor strobe siren to your S1 stealth system. Keep in mind that if you purchased a pre-made package, your siren is already programmed. You will only need to follow these steps if you are reprogramming your siren or pairing a new siren that you purchased separately. Before we begin, make sure to turn off any and all motion sensors that might be triggered during the programming process. There are a few different models, but they all have power switches. Next, switch off any sirens that have power switches, most do, and unplug them all. Now we're ready to start. Go ahead and turn on the siren you need to program, then press and release the black coding button. The lights should come on and stay on. While they're lit, press the central button on the panel to send a signal.
System armed.
The siren should chirp in response. Next, turn off the siren and unplug it if it was plugged in for at least 10 seconds. While you're waiting, go ahead and disarm the system.
Home armed. System disarmed.
After 10 seconds, turn the siren back on. It is now programmed. To test it, simply trigger the alarm and make sure the siren sounds.